And the Geraldton Hospital's new expanded emergency room has been providing services to the Greenstone area for some time, but officials there have been keeping a secret about it until this week. That's when the grand opening was held to officially name the new ER after a local physician. Adam Riley has the story.
While the $21 million expansion of Geraldton's emergency department is complete from a physical and operational standpoint, something was still missing. And that something, as hospital CEO Darryl Galusha says, was difficult to keep under wraps.
We've kept that covered. We've had things. This man has dedicated his life, his family life, his personal life to the people of the Greenstone district. It was a unanimous decision to choose to name the ER in honor of Dr. Laine.
For 40 years, Dr. Roy E. Laine has brought people into this world, saved lives, contributed to the health and well-being of residents, and at one point in 2005 was the only physician in the Greenstone area. A man of few words, Dr. Laine was taken aback slightly by the unveiling.
What were you kind of feeling?
A bit dumbfounded, yeah. It was quite a surprise.
The expanded space not only includes 5 rooms for emergency care, but is also bringing chemotherapy to the region for cancer patients and space for mental health supports. Greenstone Mayor Renald Beaulieu heralds the project as a game changer, not just for his community, though.
It takes a while to put things like this together, but you know what? We should all be proud. This is a necessity for our community, for the region, for our Indigenous communities, fly-in surroundings. This is an area that needs to have the proper service for our healthcare service.
In 2019, Minister Greg Rickford was able to announce the expansion of the ER and came back 2 years later to see the improvements while attending a ceremony at the new Greenstone mine this week.
We're so pleased, but this is an example of the kind of asset a community like Greenstone is going to require if we're going to build a mine here in this municipality. So it's just the beginning, Ryan, but it's probably the one that's most important as a former nurse who's lived and worked across Northern Ontario.
Adam Riley, TBT News.